So welcome all of you to join us and practice meditation together. So I will provide you for maybe today for two techniques in the meditation. First of all, the scanning body meditations. So you will learn how you can realize the situation for your mind, and you can realize what happened, something like the phenomena or the situations, or how you deal with your wanderings in your mind. Second, before we go into the end of meditation, I will let you have the loving kindness meditations. So we always have this meditation for 30 minutes. Before we have the meditation, I would like you to relax and stretch your body, relax your mind, and seek somewhere to have a seat. So relax and take a deep breath a couple of times until you feel that you can sit on a chair, on the floor, or anywhere that you feel comfortable and do meditation together. So now, this is our times. Close our eyes, very soft, smoothly and gently. Close as a half. It's helpful for the relaxation of your body if you close your eyes in the same way that like you are going to sleep. And then take a deep breath, deeper than you have taken so far. We will spend this time to truly care for ourselves, right? The time for listening to ourselves, our body, and our mind. The meditation is the true love of ourselves, and it's the best gift in the world for you, for all of good deed that we have done, for all of hard work that we have done. So take your time to relax and release. So just smile to ourselves, have a small smiling on our face. Relax and release. So it is very important that before we begin to meditate, the preparation before we have is very important. Take a deep breath a couple of times. When you breathe out, release all your thoughts, any tensions, stress, anxiety, or any negative energy. Release them out. Until you feel comfortable in your body and mind. By breathing, just let our breathing flow naturally and normally. It's our time to set our mind at a zero. Bring our full attention back to ourselves without thoughts, need, silence, and calm. Yes, now the way that you can bring your attention back to yourself, the easiest way is scan your body and realize, or you can say you observe your body from the top of your head, your forehead, your face, every muscle on your face, your neck, your both shoulders and arms, hands, until your fingers. Let them completely relax and release. Maybe you have the right hand over the left hand, palm hands close to your body on your lap, and relax. This is the basic standard position of meditation that you should learn. Or you can let your palm hands on your knee. Any position that lets you feel relaxed, comfortable, and release. Down to your chest, your back, your abdomen. Relax. And imagine that your body without organs or any tissue. We adjust our position until we feel completely comfortable. And loosen every muscle, your leg, your feet, down to the tip of your toe. Relax everything. And continue to relax every part in your body until we feel completely at ease, comfortable and light. Allow our mind to be joyful, relaxed, and free from everything, from worries, from thoughts. We release and let everything go. Imagine that we are sitting alone in a vast open space, full of peacefulness and freedom. It seems like you are floating on the sky, on the space. And our body is blank and empty. And allow ourselves to enjoy this feeling of peacefulness. When we scan our body, observe every part in our body already. That is the way that we bring our attention back to ourselves and realize that we are inside ourselves. And then observe our breathing. When we breathe in naturally, at the bottom of our lungs, when the air passes into your nostril and deep down to your lungs, it's always around at the center of body. Relax our mind body there at the center of body. Stand still our mind. Be at the center of body. Rest our mind there at the bottom of our lungs. This location is the home of our mind. Allow our attention to settle down. Softly rest at the center of body. In the middle of the abdomen. But do not worry about the exactly point of the center of body. Just simply maintain a soft, smooth, and gentle awareness within. We raise our awareness as a softly and gently. If any thoughts, feelings, experience, or any situation arise, allow them to be come in our mind and let them drop away by themselves. Do not worry about that. Let them come and let them go by themselves. Do not force your mind. Just let it go. Focus on the present moment at the center of body. Focus on the present moment here and now. If you cannot deal with the wanderings that occur in your mind, you can easily open your eyes a little and then close your eyes softly again. This is the way that you can reset your mind and then restart our new meditation. So whatever happened in our mind, let it be and let it go. Do not worry about that. It's just the situation. It's normal phenomena. Focus on the present moment at the center body, softly and gently. To help us maintain our awareness within, we may choose the visualization meditation technique. Just let our awareness within, or I can say that the subconsciousness within yourself to create the brightness object to visualize. It can be any family object like the sun, the full moon, the star, the candlelight, or the crystal ball. You can choose one and let it locate it at the center of body. To imagine softly and gently. Let it rest at the center, freely and softly. And then maintain our visualized meditation object as long as possible. Sometimes you can feel that you are the sun, and the sun is you. Our body, our whole body is the sun. The stillness is the key of success in meditation. Or I can say that to stop is the key of success in everything. To stop what? To stop thinking. If we focus on one thing and take silence, long period of time on one thing, you can realize the happiness, the peacefulness inside. Our mind without thoughts is very powerful. So meditation is the way that you can practice to calm down and still our mind at the center. Now, simply observe the brightest object resting there. When your mind without thoughts and you still your attention at the center of your body, the center of the emptiness within. Take your time there until you feel peaceful. Any situation, any wanderings, don't worry about that, it's normal. When it arises in your mind, or you might travel outside, just bring it back. Be at the center again. If you realize that you might going outside, bring it back to yourself. Again and again. Practice. But do not try hard. Just realize and observe and then maintain our mind at the center continuously. Now is our time to start sharing the loving kindness from the center of body. Share the loving kindness to yourself first. Firstly, this is the true love, to love yourself, to care for yourself. And then make a wishes for ourselves. And then expand our peacefulness, our loving kindness reaching the people around, to our families, our friends here in our club, and then share to the others, to everyone around. May all of them be happy, be healthy, be successful, be wealthy. May all of sadness and sorrow disappear from their life forever. May our planet and world peace. Allow the feeling of peace to expand increasingly, automatically, and then still our mind be at the center of the sphere of loving kindness. Just still our mind and do not think. Let it expand by itself automatically. So we take this moment to share peace silently. Take a deep breath, adjust your position, maintain your meditation. Maintain your peacefulness within. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining us and practice meditation together and share our positive energy to each other today. Thank you.